So friends, let's see today's eggless brownie made in a normal microwave. Let's go through the ingredients first. So here I have half a cup of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of milk, half a cup of yogurt, dahi or curd, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. I've just taken the sugar and just powdered it in my mixer, half a cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I'm going to start by just brushing my microwave proof baking dish with some butter. Then I'm going to just line it with some baking paper that I've just cut the sides so that it goes in easily. This way you can easily, pick up the brownie once it's ready. Once this is done, you can just set this aside. Now in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add the melted butter. Just melt this butter in your microwave. To that, I'm going to add the dahi or yogurt. This is homemade dahi. I'll leave my recipe of how I make my dahi at home. Whisk the two well together so that they get well mixed. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add the powdered sugar. Now once we add the powdered sugar, we need to whisk the three of them really well together. Now you can use a hand whisk like this, or you can use an electric mixer if you have one. But beat this for exactly 5 minutes till the mixture turns to a little bit of a white, pale color. To that, now I'm going to add my plain flour. I'm going to add the baking powder. I'm going to add the baking soda. And I'm going to add my cocoa powder. Now use a good quality cocoa powder, a nice one which has a nice dark rich color. And now we're just going to mix everything really well together. So now you can see I'm not using a whisk, but I'm using my spatula. That way you can just mix and fold everything in well together. So here you don't need a convection microwave, a simple microwave. You can, just use the quick start button or the start button. And we are going to bake this for 10 minutes on a normal microwave. So you don't need to set your microwave to any particular baking or, any kind of temperature. Just use it as, you use to warm up a cup of coffee or heat up some food. Okay, now we're just going to add 4 tablespoons of this milk. And again, we're going to mix everything well together. This brownie, is so easy to prepare because you don't need to preheat an oven. It just gets ready very fast in a microwave. The only thing you have to remember is to use a good microwave, proofed baking dish. Don't try to use anything, any glassware or something which is not microwave proof. And now we're just going to add the chopped walnuts. This is completely optional, but it really enhances the flavor of this brownie. And then all we have to do, friends, is just pour this into our blind baking tray or baking dish and put it into the microwave, press the quick start button and set it a timer of 10 minutes and your brownie is all ready. And then let it cool completely and then cut it up into large squares. So do try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out.
friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.